My name is Bill Woodland, and I studied lighting design and dramaturgy in the MFA course in the Lear, and I am a lighting designer and college lecturer. I studied lighting design and technical theater in my undergrad over in the States, in the lovely Pacific Northwest, and I was working in Seattle for a theatrical supply company and rental shop, and working with my own small theater company and other small local companies, and found that after a few years I was kind of bumping up against my own limits, and I felt like I needed to just go a bit deeper and get more out of my own practice, and so I decided to pursue a MFA degree. An MFA stands for Master in Fine Arts, as opposed to a standard MA would be a Master of Arts or MPhil or what have you. And essentially the difference is that a MFA is a terminal degree. So it is for people who are professionals in a particular field. You do this degree and this is the last qualification you need in order to say, I have all of the qualifications I need to be a lighting designer. So in the actual doing of the course, there's a lot of focus on collaborative creation. You do several projects throughout the year where you're actually realizing something on the stage, and it is an opportunity to, especially as a lighting designer, do the weird things that you normally wouldn't get to do on a show, and go, ooh, how would that work? That's the biggest thing, is that there is time to develop your practice and your ideas rather than trying to fit yourself into another person's box. Other advantages to this course are, for example, the equipment that's available to you is much nicer than a lot of the older lights that you would get if you were working in a smaller school or an older venue, and that lets you really work with some interesting things that you wouldn't have the opportunity or the money to work with otherwise, as well as getting your hands on some high-end equipment.